What's up, guys? Kid just fell. A baby was born. We're here live from the car. We've got suits, we've got guitars, we've got amps, we've got chapstick. That can only mean one thing. It's a show day.
It's a show day.
We are doing a show, opening for a pal of ours in Long Beach. If you're seeing this video, you're too late. Wish you could have came.
Hopefully you did.
Hopefully you did. Because we posted about it relentlessly on Instagram. We're heading to Echo Park to rehearse with our mate Spencer Hoffman. And it's gonna be a great show. We'll update you with dinner. Welcome to Echo Park. Your brown eyes, I'll never forget.
Just trying to get some dinner. Tell me, what song are you most excited to play?
Most excited to play. It's a tough one. You know, guitar's really difficult for me. I kind of dread playing at all.
But you do it because you
Have to.
and you.
Do it. Victoria, what are you most excited about tonight?
Probably to wear your blazer.
We share clothes sometimes. What song are you most excited to
I'm
to
most
perform?
excited to perform probably Heartbreaker.
Oh, nice.
We took a nice little twist on it.
Spencer, what about you?
Might perform some of my emo songs,
Ooh.
Oh, hell yeah.
you know, but I'm not quite sure yet. So
I thought it was Hawthorne.
yeah.
That's when we're singing all together.
The most emo song.
The most emo
The most
song
emo song of all.
We have a song called Jack London.
So we're doing a little
Practice out here. There's the venue.
super chill. Super chill. So like, should be really chill. You should come. You should come to the show tonight. It's free. Fit check. Ooh. Oh yeah. This song I wrote was my first song that I wrote after we moved down to SoCal. So it's very special. Honestly, you guys, that was great. It was fun. People were responsive and we were received really well. Cut it there. Thanks so much for watching.